Hello everyone, it's your Excel wizard here today teaching you about the round down function, which does exactly what it sounds like. It rounds down. But the important thing to note is as we come up here to our function arguments box that it is in terms of the decimal point. So what I mean by that is if I have a number, for example, we'll take this 5.55 number. If I have this 5.55 number and it's asking the number of digits that I want to round to, again, it's in terms of the decimal point. So if I put in a 0 right here, I'm saying that I want to round this number, this 5.55 number, to where it has 0 characters after the decimal point. So this 5.55 would round down to just 5 because I want, again, nothing after the decimal point. If I change this number to 1, it would come down to 5.5 because this 0.55 would round down to one decimal point, well, 5.5. So I hit OK, and this is really useful when you are measuring things where you only care about full units. Anything over a full unit, like the change associated with it, doesn't matter. So for example, if I have these three values right here, I will come over and I will use this round down function, and I will choose the cell A1 as my number, and then I want 0 number of digits after the decimal point. So I will hit check and I will end up with 2. And so if I were to bring this formula down to the other cells, cell A2 and cell A3, this 7.75 will go to a 7, and this 3.33 will go to a 3. So as I do that, as I drag it down, the 7 and this 3 will appear. And that's about all there is for the round down function. If you're interested in learning more, the same thing's possible with the round up function, actually, and I have a video on that as well. So if you're interested in that, if you're interested in beginner, intermediate, or Excel functions, I have series on all of them, so please go check them out. And as always, thank you for watching.